One by Hanson Chisanga. Oh my, so my name is Hanson Chisanga. I'm a first year student at Sheffield Hallam University studying Festival Entertainment Events Management. What is it all about then? So today I've been tasked to come up with a 3-month marketing plan for Pollen, which is a new event coming to Sheffield. I'm gonna in this pathway I'm gonna include the best possible way I believe would be to promote the event depending on the target audience, and also include examples of some posts as well. So I'm gonna first talk about Peddler because Pollen and Peddler are affiliated with each other. So Peddler is a street food, drink, and live music event that happens on the first Friday and the first Saturday of each month in Sheffield. It's been going on for many, many, many years now. Founded in 2014 by someone called Ben Smith, Jordan Roberts, and Heather Gilbert Thorpe. This event is for all age groups. It's free as well. Normally, it's families come during the day, and then at the evening, your younger audience will come. With this event, they have the best chefs, best DJs, the best artists, the best breakers, and the best brewers. They all come together into one thing to make the event what it is. However, it also gives opportunities for new and up-and-coming artists to show off their skills and their crafts, because you can actually apply to be part of this event. So Pollen. Pollen is a completely brand new event coming to you all in spring 2021. It's been made by the same creative heads who made Peddler. It's got the same vibe as well in terms of we've got the food, the drink, and the music. However, this is all about flowers, plants, and crafts, hence why it's called Pollen. And it will also be in Sheffield, right in city centre at the historic Castlegate area. The target market, I've chosen today. I've chosen 23-year-olds. I've chosen this because they're still at a young age, so socialising and drinking is still something that some people are very much interested in doing. A lot of people of that age enjoy going to music concerts, festivals, and festivals. So in the UK, between the years of 2012 and 2018, the amount of people attending festivals increased by 2.79 to 4.9 million just in 2020. And also, people of these ages are very heavily involved in social media. A study was carried out in 2017 which showed that people between the ages of 16 and 35 even, were more active on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit. Okay. So, 3-month marketing plan. Cashwell states that the marketing for an event should include showcasing the interesting and unique features to promote the advantages of the event. This suggests that it requires a creative mind to all come together to create new and innovative ways to help grab the attention of people and to get them involved with your event. So, month 1, I chose that handing out leaflets to the locals on the street is probably the best way to start. With this leaflet, as you can see, it's just got the main, the best and the main points of Pollen. It says at the bottom as well to follow us on Instagram so that you can keep updated with news that we're going to be coming out with, as well as the dates. Well, not the dates necessarily, but when it should be happening, which is spring 2021. Month 2, this is obviously 1 month before it's about to start now. This is just kind of a post to kind of remind people that, by the way, Pollen is coming, it's still happening. This time it's got the actual location as well, it's got a time as well, and the colours, because the sunflower is vibrant, it represents pollen. It keeps with the vibe what they're going for. And I tried something different here. I went for a TikTok campaign because TikTok right now is one of the biggest growing social media platforms ever. So, and a lot of people, they're becoming very big of it. So using TikTok would be a nice way. It's a very creative and it's a fun way to get people to know about your event, to get people to invest and be involved with your event. I've created a video here, but I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I'll make sure to show Charlotte. Okay, so now I'm just going to talk about the evaluation. Right, so I really believe that all 3 types of marketing techniques I've used here are just as equally important as the other one, as each other. Because starting off with the leaflet, handing out to the locals is important to get them on board, because using you can then use the locals as free promotion, because through word of mouth. They find out about this, they get interested, and they go talk to their families and their friends, and they as a collective come together and come to your event. I also believe Instagram is also very important, because Instagram then allows you to keep people updated with information you have on the event, because you can't always be handing out leaflets, because it doesn't make sense. Whereas an Instagram post, you can literally do it on your phone while it's up there, bam, 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 let people know what's going on, and then people can just see it whilst even just at home and again updated constantly. And the last one is TikTok. I chose TikTok because it's just different. You don't really see a lot of many people do stuff like that for their events, and I feel like because it's different, it will grab people's attention, and people think, you know what is this pollen thing? And then they might actually do a bit of their own research into it and think, yeah, this is something I'm interested in, and then they end up coming to see for themselves what it's about. So that's why I chose TikTok. But here are my references as well. I'd like to say thank you for listening to my screencast. I've been Hassan Senga. Thank you very much.